Hello everyone, welcome back. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Wi-Fi hotspot keep disconnecting on iPhone and iPad after the updating of iOS. Before start, please don't forget to subscribe and also press the bell icon to get latest video notifications. Let's start. Solution number 1. Turn off Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and cellular data. For that, first launch settings and turn off Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and cellular data. Then go back to iPhone home screen and force restart your iPhone by pressing home button and the power button at the same time until Apple logo appears, and also depend on your iPhone model to force restart. After the force restart, same goes to settings and turn on them. If you're still facing the same issue, then we go for some other solutions. Solution number 2. Enable and disable airplane mode. Go to settings, enable airplane mode. Now lock your iPhone for a couple of minutes, then unlock your iPhone and disable airplane mode. Solution number 3. Reset all settings. Go to settings, then tap general and tap reset. Now tap reset all settings. iPhone passcode required and tap again reset all settings to confirm your action. Solution number 4. Change the name of your iPhone. To change the name of iPhone, launch settings, then tap general and tap about. Now tap on name and change the name of your iPhone. Solution number 5. Reset network settings. To reset network settings on iPhone, first we have to go to settings, then tap general. Now scroll down and tap reset and tap reset network settings. Put your iPhone passcode and tap again reset network settings to confirm your action. Solution number 6. Restart your iPhone. To restart iPhone, first go to settings, then tap general and tap shutdown. Drag the slider to power off. Wait for a couple of minutes and turn on your iPhone. That's it. Friends, hopefully you found this video helpful. Then please like and share as well. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.